Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm about to show you 3 awesome websites which pays you money to complete simple tasks. Now these tasks can be as simple as completing a survey or to avail any offer, fill out a form, or in fact any simple task which you can imagine of. Now there are people out there who have been making around $100 per day using these websites. So let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now I would like to also tell you that at the end of this video, I have something special for you, and that special thing will help you to make more money online. So please watch this video till the end and take a look at the offer which I are about to show you. Now before wasting any time, let's get started. So the first website I want to show to you is called as treasuretrooper.com. So you can search on Google for treasuretrooper.com and then you'll land on this website. Now this is a website which has a nice theme. As you can see that it looks like you have just entered a game. Now they'll pay you money to complete offers. You can fill out forms, sample products purchase, or actually ordering sample products to test out. You can make money by performing searches, completing basic tasks, and get paid cash for all of those things. Now there are over $3,000 in these offers, so don't miss out on this. You have the opportunity to make $3,000 just from this website. Now they're also going to pay you $1 for just joining. Just imagine you are just entering your email and first name and click on this register button and you make $1. I don't think so there is any simple method than that to make money on the internet. You'll get paid surveys. You can get around $1 for each survey, and that's really good. Now you'll be rewarded by playing games as well, so you can go to this website and play games and still make money. Now if you refer your friends to this website, you receive 20% of what they earn and then 5% from your second level referrals. That means if I refer you, whatever you make, I make 20% of it. If you refer someone else, I still make 5% from their earnings. So you see there's a 2-level hierarchy, and that's really wonderful because there are only a few companies and websites out there which have this system of hierarchical referral incomes. Now you can see that they have instant payouts. That means whenever you make money, you can pay out it and get that in your bank account. As you can see that they have this live meter here which says Matthew received 12 arrowheads from DexSide #2. So this arrowheads is basically points in this website. Now you can click on how it works to see how it actually works. So Treasure Trooper is a free service that provides you with several money making opportunities. Simply register by providing your name and email address and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. Complete some offers. We have hundreds of offers ranging in payouts from $0.50 to $50. So you see there are offers which will pay you as high as $50. So that's really good. Now you can see that as soon as you reach a minimum balance of $20, you can request an instant payment and your money will be paid automatically into your bank account. You can earn referral commissions as well. And as you can see that they have the dragon lair and treasure hunts. The current treasure hunt is for lost statue of the Macambio tribe and is worth $100 for anybody to find it. So see they have Easter eggs kind of things where you can go out and find some unique stuff. The more you explore, the more chances of you are finding this bonus. So this $100 bonus is something really cool. You can also click on this payment proof button to see all the payment proofs they have made so far. And you can even in fact upload your own payments once you make some money from this website. So guys, I hope you have understood the treasuretrooper.com. Now the next website which I am about to show you is called as Surveyeh. So surveyeh.com. So this is a website which pays you money to fill out surveys. Now this website is accessible throughout the world. You can be from any country of this world and still make money using Surveyeh. The best part is that they are even available in languages like Italian, French, Espanol, German, Chinese. So you can come to this website, choose your language, choose your region and start making money. You can get paid in euros, and you know that euro is a very high converting currency, and you can only get PayPal payments or Amazon vouchers. So I think most of you already have a PayPal account, because if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to paypal.com right now and create your account, because Survey will be paying you either in form of PayPal or Amazon vouchers. And PayPal is a trustworthy website. You can go there and create your own account. It's available on all countries. Now I also want to tell you that they have some other interesting stuff like news and lifestyle stuff, intelligent solutions and entertaining videos as well. So you can go out and check out all of that stuff on this website. Now as you can see that they have over 2 million registered users. They have paid over 1 million euros. That's incredible. And 3 million surveys have been done. They are available in 123 countries, and that probably consists of your country. I want you to go down below in the comments and enter your country name so that I can create more videos which are available in your country. You can see all the customer reviews as well here, the people who have taken participation in their surveys and made money. You can see that these are really powerful and trustworthy testimonials. Now in order to sign up to this website, you just need to come to this website and click on this register button on the top. You can select from which country you are. You also need to enter your email, password, your name, your gender, birthday, postcode, and accept these terms and conditions, and then click on sign up. So that's how easy it is. There's no complicated process. Now I think they have recently given the ability to get money into your Western Union account and Skrill and MoneyGram. So I think that's an additional thing apart from PayPal. So yes, PayPal is not the only way to get paid. You can also get paid in your Skrill account or MoneyGram account or Western Union. So guys, this was about Survey. Now let's talk about the third website called as pricerebel.com. So this website also works in a very similar manner. You can make money online using pricerebel.com. So you need to come out to this website and fill out your form. So when you fill out this form and click on start making money, your account is created. You can also choose the sign up with Facebook button. You can see that in this website as well, you can complete paid online surveys and earn points and redeems for cash. So you can actually get out cash in exchange for these points which you'll earn on this website. They'll pay you on PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, eBay. There are a lot of ways to get paid. So sign up for a 100% free account, earn points by completing short opinion surveys of easy offers, and redeem these points in form of PayPal cash or other options. Now you can also see that there are other offers which are available for you in which you can get paid. Now if you still have doubt, they have added some social proofs of people actually sharing their success stories with Price Rebel. So that's really cool. You can in fact click on these pictures to see a large version of these. Now as you can see that they have been featured on many of the popular websites of the world like Insider, Trustpilot, Survey Police. So I think they are really trustworthy. You can also see that they have an affiliate program here. So when you go to this affiliate program, you can see that whenever you refer someone to this website, you make money. So in order to become an affiliate, you need to fill out this form, but that's just an additional way to make money online. The main way to make money online is by simply filling out this form and start completing surveys after you sign in. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.